Ayan, good morning mga kalogs. Nandito ngayon sa farmers market ng Gisborne, New Zealand. Ayan, tingnan natin mga kalogs. Let's go inside. Parang ganun din sa Pilipinas mga kalogs. So, ganda nito, meron pang live band. May live band mga kalogs. Pilipinas din mga kalog. Magtitinda ng mga prutas, gulay, flowers. Ayan o. Oranges. Kiwi. Kanya-kanyang sasakyan mga kalogs. Parang Saturday sa may Manila Bay may nagtitinda na ganito rin dito mga kalogs. So parang the same lang yung way nila sa pagtitinda. Ayan, dito po yan sa Gisborne, New Zealand.
Mga fresh na
fresh fruits, flowers, coffee, may nagtitinda rin ng coffee. Kalap yung gulay nila. Look at that. Ibang prutas, apples, ayan. Ayan, tawag dito mga kalogs is farmers market. Farmers market.
I'll show you a photo last night in the restaurant.
Yeah.
She was one, she came here, now she's two.
Shout out! Good morning!
Yahoo!
Tikman ko lang taping yung ano ko. Sakso.
May British dyan kuya? Ay, birthday mo pala, may happy birthday.
Yes, thank you so
Steve,
much.
you remember Steve brother yung Mayo po. Tito Mayo. I know, I said you remember Steve, brother of
Ayaw,
ano.
Nice to meet you.
He's the youngest, he arrived a couple of days ago.
Yeah, 2 days ago.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Ayan, meron pa tayong greetings.
Son.
Yeah.
The youngest is the
Making the connection.
And Ivy, Ivy
It's my son, it's my daughter. This is my daughter.
last night.
She likes you. She doesn't want to go anymore.
Okay, you can kidnap her. Oh my God.
Okay.
Run away now, Deb.
Yes, she's very
Ayan mga mga kalogs ang farmers market ng Gisborne, New Zealand. Yan, good morning mga kalogs. Maganda ng mga mata. Kaiba yung mga mata nila. Ano sila?
Oh no!